Welcome Tommy Channel Natural Cures. With simple steps, you can clean your house without costing yourself and tired of buying household cleaners that affect your budget. In addition to the health damages caused by the chemicals it contains. That's why Supramama today offers you many effective recipes for household cleaners prepared with natural ingredients, which will help you clean your home effectively and at minimal costs. Natural ingredients for household cleaners. Below is a list of some environmentally safe ingredients that you can use alone or mix them together to make household cleaners that suit all purposes. Baking soda. Baking soda removes unpleasant odors and stains. Fragrance-free soap, preferably in liquid form and free from petroleum derivatives. It is a versatile cleaner and it is possible to clean anything with it. Lemon juice. One of the most powerful nutritional acids, lemon is a magic key for home cleaning, and an effective antiseptic against most types of household bacteria. White vinegar, used to remove fats, molds, bad smells and some stains. Olive oil, used to polish wood, and you can use any vegetable oil for the same purpose. Alcohol, an excellent antiseptic used to remove odors and some stains. Cornstarch, used to clean windows, carpets, and gilded furniture. Oxygen water, a good disinfectant for bathroom and kitchen, also used to remove stains on fabrics, but use it with caution as it may cause irritation to the skin or respiratory system. Natural recipes for household cleaners. A recipe for all-purpose cleaning. Ingredients: a cup of white vinegar, a cup of water, a lemon peel, a rosemary leaf, a spray. Steps: put the previous ingredients in the spray, and shake well. Put the bottle out of heat for a week before use, so the ingredients interact with each other. Use it to clean surfaces, trash cans and wall stains, and to remove stubborn stains. Recipe for cleaning the glass. Ingredients: 2 cups water, half a cup of white vinegar, or apple cider vinegar, a quarter cup of alcohol with a concentration of 70% drop or 2 of any essential oil. Spray steps: put the ingredients in the spray, and shake well. Use newspaper or soft cloth to clean. Do not clean the windows on hot, sunny days, as the cleaner will dry quickly and leave stains on the windows. Learn about 5 magic ways to polish glass and mirrors. A recipe for cleaning the bathroom and toilet. Ingredients: 1½ cups of baking soda, 1 cup of warm water, a cup of liquid soap, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Spray. Steps: put all ingredients in the sprayer, and shake them until the ingredients are mixed. Add a little lemon juice or lemon juice to the mixture to increase the acidity of the detergent, thus removing dirt and stains with minimal effort, and get a refreshing lemon scent. Read also 6 steps for a clean bathroom like hotels. A recipe for cleaning furniture to clean upholstery. Ingredients: volume 0%, half a cup of alcohol, half a cup of white vinegar, 3-4 drops of essential oil of your choice. Spray steps: put the ingredients in the spray, and shake well. Use this cleaner to remove the toughest stains from your furniture, such as ink stains. To remove stains, spray the cleaner onto the stain and rub it with a soft sponge or cloth. Repeat spraying the detergent and scrub until the stain is completely gone, then let it dry. It is important that you clean stains as soon as they occur so that they are easy to clean, and you can use this cleaner to clean chairs and benches in general, and not just to remove stains. To polish wooden furniture. Ingredients: a cup of olive oil or jojoba oil, a quarter cup of white vinegar, 3-4 drops lemon essential oil. Spray. Steps: put the ingredients in the spray, and shake well. Spray the polish onto a lint-free cloth for a light and quick polishing, and for more shine, spray the polish onto the furniture directly and rub it with the cloth. Store the polish in a cool, dark place so that the oil does not get cloudy. Do not use for more than a month, and always shake the bottle before use. Recipe for floor cleaning. Ingredients: 2 cups warm water, half a cup of white vinegar, A quarter cup of alcohol with a concentration of 70%. Teaspoon dishwashing liquid, free of perfume and antibacterial. 5–10 drops essential oil, optional. Steps: mix the ingredients in a bowl or spray, and double the amount as needed. Let the floor dry after wiping before walking on it. Store the detergent in a cool, dark place, and use it within a month. This mixture does not need to be rinsed with water. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.